Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome. If you have any shoulder instability, shoulder weakness, or shoulder pain, this is a great practice for you today. We're doing Pilates and yoga and a lot of fitness, corrective exercises, somatic movements. We are going to work on the stabilization of that complex joint in the shoulder. So if you do have a rotator cuff injury or something like that, I'm going to demonstrate on a chair with a pillow, but you can do this on the ground as well. It just depends on you and your flexibility. So I'll try to demonstrate both for you, and you can decide if you want to get your chair out. I'm also going to use a couple of blocks to demonstrate. Then I'm going to use some tennis balls. So basically this is a weighted ball, and this is also, you can substitute with a ball. You can use your own body weight. You can also use apples or oranges. Those work as well as these, okay? And the strap, you can use something else like a towel, okay? So go get all your props, and then we're gonna get started right away. Okay, so the first option would be to do this on the ground. It just depends on your comfort level with getting down on the ground. So you could prop up your blocks or a bolster. Bolsters work really well like this. So I have them staggered on me on top of each other, and then I put my chest down like this, okay? So if you have the flexibility in your hips, this is a nice option because we're going to be working right from here, okay? If you have a bench at home or if you're watching this in the gym, that works as well, okay? So we're going to start here. I'm going to keep the blocks down here to start. And we're going to come and take our chest right on top of the chair or the bench, whatever you're using. And then keep your props nearby. If you have some apples and oranges and tennis balls, grab those. Or you can use your own body weight. So we're going to start here, take our chest on that diagonal. Now I want you to wiggle your hips, lift up through the pelvic floor. So you're going to stabilize through that core. If you watch my videos, lift through the pelvic floor, the transverse abdominis. So you want to palpate on the sides of your navel right here. So pull the pelvic floor up, inhale wide, exhale, and you should feel the contraction through here, okay? And even if you have any subcutaneous fat, we all do, right? You can still feel deep underneath there the contraction right on the sides of your navel. Really important. Now keep that contraction, start to come forward and stay on that diagonal. Feel your sits bones moving in towards each other. And we're going to take the arms down by our side and lift up, squeezing the shoulder blades together, and lower down and lift up and lower down. Again, lift, feel the contraction in your abdominals, lengthen through your lower back down. And again, lift and lower. Now this time lift up, hold up, and we're in a goalpost arm, okay? So my arms are like this, and you're going to gently pulse upward. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then just soften here for a moment. Then go ahead and come on back to that diagonal. Reach your arms over your head, and then you're going to take a swim stroke back. And again, reach the arms overhead and take a stroke back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale. Now place your hands on the chair, lift your hips up, and then come and hang over the chair so you get a nice stretch. So right through here, we're making some space in that capsule. So you're gonna pull the shoulders back. Pull the shoulders back in, down towards your hips, and breathe. Inhale and exhale. Okay, now from here, take the right hand onto the chair and then fold forward. Let your head go, just hang. And let's do the other side as well. So left hand comes on the chair and then hang forward. Okay, roll yourself up. Let's come back over. Okay, now let's come on down onto our knees and grab onto your weights, or if you're using oranges or whatever you're using. We're going to take our chest forward and we're going to start here and we're going to gently pull up, lift the palm, come back down and lower. So shoulder blades reach towards each other. Lift the hand, lower and lower. And again, lift, lift, lower and lower. And lift, lift, lower and lower. Let's do a total of 8. So 4 more. Lift, lift, lower and lower. Lift, lift, lower and lower. Lift, lift, lower and lower. Lift, lift, lower. 1 more. And lower it down. Okay, we're gonna do the other side. I'm gonna turn so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, same thing with that right arm. And you can do these both at the same time. So if you wanna do 2 sets, you can do that. Lift up, lift, lower, and lower. And lift, lift, lower, lower. And lift, lift, lower, and lower. And lift, lift, lower, and lower. Breathe into it. Okay, friends, last set of 4. Ready? And 3. And 2. And 1. And lower it down. Okay, drop that down. So depending upon where you are with your shoulders, you could be using 1 pound, a half pound, 3 pounds. I wouldn't go above 5 pounds. Especially because of the movements that we're doing. Usually 1 pound is more than sufficient, but your body weight is great as well. So stay where you need to go and then grab onto either your weighted ball or your tennis balls, okay? You're gonna come forward again, take your chest forward. Now don't forget about that pelvic floor. Lift up through the pelvic floor, stabilize all the way up, navel towards your spine. And then this right ball you're going to hold in your hand and you're going to gently drop, 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 okay? Let's do 4 more of those. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now same thing, you're just going to do the left side. Again, you can do these at the same time. Okay, I'm just taking it slow today to demonstrate. Okay, so we're here, core engaged. Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now from there, grab onto your strap. Have a seat back. Now, if you have a strap, you're good. If not, grab onto your towel. Take your arms in goalpost arms, whatever feels good. Lift your heart up. Now take your chin up, take your chin down. Take your chin up, take your chin down. Take your chin up and just hold it here and reach up and over towards your left. And friends, let's change sides. Okay, take the strap in front of you. Now you're welcome to sit on the chair, or you can sit down on the earth with me. We're going to take the strap in front, plug the shoulders down like you're shoving them down into your jean pockets, lift the heart up, and then gently open. Ready? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now take this right hand, flip it to the inside, and same thing. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now change your grip. Left hand goes to the inside, right hand to the outside, and press. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Now both palms face up like you're serving a platter. Thumbs come on and pull. 8, 7, 6, 5. Pull those shoulders broad and through the backside. Navel in towards your spine. And 1. And release. Good. Take your head over to the side. Lift your heart up. Notice if you're starting to feel any tension in the jaw. That's okay. Just be mindful of that. And roll your head over to the other side. And take your head through to center. Now take your right hand, sweep it behind you, and then drop your head up and over towards the left. Hold on to your head, take it up and over to the right, and take it up and over to the left. Up and over to the right, up and over, stay to the left. Gently release, take your head up and take the left arm around. We're going to grab onto our head and take it over to the left and then take it over to the right. Take it over to the left, take it over to the right. Soften your face. Be aware if you're gripping in your jaw, near your eyes, if you're tensing up. Just be mindful of that. This is just some general small somatic movements to get back into the body, become aware of where we're holding patterns, tap into that body's energy. And take your head back up. Okay, look from side to side. Okay, let's put this aside. We're almost done. We're just going to do one more round of those toss and catch. Take your chest forward. Grab onto your tennis ball or your weighted ball. Ready? You're going to go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now place that down. Move your pillow. Lift your hips up. Hold here. Okay, so this arm is going to do all the work. We're stabilizing through here. Reach the right arm up and then thread it through and lift it up and thread it through. And lift up and thread through. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. 2 more. Ready? Inhale, exhale. 1 more. Inhale. Now on the exhale, take the arm onto the chair and give it a nice stretch. Oh my gosh, that feels so yummy. Oh. Okay, so options here. You can stay up here with that stretch and just hold it here. You can stay on your feet. You can take it a little deeper onto your knees, just like I did. Come on down here. Oh. And then release it back. Take the arms behind you, squeeze the palms into a fist. Okay, and we're gonna do the other side, okay? So ready, let's do those catches. Take your elbow up, engage, lift the pelvic floor, navel in towards your spine, ready, turn on that powerhouse, and go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. Right hand comes onto the chair, stabilizing right shoulder. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And here's your stretch, friends. So choose your options again. And just put your body weight into that shoulder to the degree that you want. This is a really nice repertoire to add into your week. Either once, twice, 3 times a week is great. And then you should start to see an incredible change in your shoulder strength and stability and also pain. Okay. All right, come on up, friends. Have a seat. We're going to take our arms up overhead. Press the palms up, lift up. Reach up and over. Please comment below and let me know if you enjoy these practices and you want more shoulder Pilates yoga. Yes. Just type it below. Let me know. Shoulder Pilates yoga. Yes. Oh. Change sides. Come up and over. Really lengthen through that side body. Come back through to center. Take your arms behind your head. Push gently into your hands. Release your hands, take them to your heart, and thank yourself for showing up. Namaste, my beautiful friends. Namaste. Have a lovely day. Thank you for helping your body and helping yourself, and you're helping the world, okay? You feel better, and everyone feels better. Namaste, friends. Check out my weekly calendar. I will link that below. You're welcome to check out all my videos every week. I look forward to seeing you on the mat soon. Say hi, Bachi. Okay, maybe not.